Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me. If you guys came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money and you haven't hit your goal yet, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily on the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin ideas to help you make some profits or save from making some losses. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pushing higher. Bitcoin bull showing up. Again, like we talked about, you have to assume that the price action continues in this pattern until it doesn't. Now, there's a bunch of resistance. Your upside target of 11,900 was hit previously. There's a bunch of resistance right here at about 12,000. A bunch of sellers are in this area, right? So you just have to envision this resistance is everybody selling, 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 selling. If it can push through and break higher, you might get some type of parabolic. See this run up right here? You might get some type of parabolic move to the upside. All right, bulls need a higher high up here. Now, you did have a bullish cross on the stochastic, and that has been playing out. We talked about that yesterday. You've got some possible bearish divergence on the histogram, but again, a big pump to the upside would negate that idea. There's a lot of things that are changing in this market right now. I'm going to go over. I've got a really good video for you guys. Make sure and watch the video to the end. There's a lot of important changes that are happening right now. Bitcoin's decoupling from the altcoin market. Bitcoin's decoupling from traditional markets. The Bitcoin bulls are showing up today. So this is a previous chart we've been talking about. This rising wedge, rising channel that I talked about yesterday did get a bullish retest and a continuation higher. I mean, if you want to pull a measured move on this guy, I mean, essentially you take this measure here, and this would put a measured move up here around 12,700, 12,000. Okay, not guaranteed because you've got all this, all these sellers, all this resistance stacked right here. Tough to break 12,000, but if this happens, and I want to show you kind of a really bullish scenario that has played out in the past, and when a lot of these key ideas I'm going to talk to you about at the end of the video happen, where, you know, the altcoins decouple, alt USDT pairs right now aren't performing very well, which is odd when you consider what Bitcoin is doing. You know, this is something different. Things are changing. Bells have to go off in your head and say, hey, what is going on? A lot of people are hitting me up like, Chris, why are the alts dropping and Bitcoin's pumping? Okay, remember, people will sell their altcoins and move to Bitcoin when Bitcoin's strong. Okay, and you get these parabolic, we've talked about this parabola, you get these parabolic price rises, okay, to the upside. This happened on the April Fool's rally previously, where Bitcoin just took off in every single altcoin, USDT pairs, BTC pairs, everything was just red, and Bitcoin pumped considerably. So is this going to play out? We just have to wait and see what happens. But it is a scenario that you have to at least be aware of. So these rising wedges, okay, they 68% chance this breaks to the downside. Your measured move to the downside is about 11,000, 10,900. Now, When you do get these parabolas in play, though, you get rising wedges that break higher. Upside target, like we talked about, around 12,800. But you get these exponential price rises when these break higher. So this, I mean, it would mean Bitcoin breaking 12,000, which is a tough task to handle. But again, there's a lot of things happening right now in the crypto market with Bitcoin that are different than what we've seen over an extended period of time. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. Some of this I just can't even believe. This person, and I don't recommend you trade with money that you need to pay your bills with. This person, he said, I had to drain my crypto portfolio down to pay some bills. On the first of the month, I only had $50 sitting in my futures wallet. Now he's got $950. He said, I don't even know what to think. He said, I'm speechless. That's 19x in 18 days. Like, that's phenomenal. This person, amazing. Like, he kept track of all of his gains, his futures trades over about a month and a half. And you can see like 100%, 200%, 150, 150, 120, 187. It's amazing to see what some basic ideas can do to somebody's trading when they join the group and they just completely take it and run with it. Very proud of this guy. He said that the key to his success is he makes trades with 5 charts, all the same coin with different time frames. So definitely something to consider. This is a pretty nice setup this gentleman shared. He's got CBC Crypto Revolution video on the main screen. He's got multitude of monitors ready and prepared to trade this market. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net, for all the information. If you previously emailed me, the wallet addresses that I sent you have been updated. So again, before you send crypto payments, go to cryptorev.net for the correct new updated deposit addresses. Let's make some money. Altcoins, what is happening? Altcoin market chaos. Altcoins lost over $4 billion in market cap as the Bitcoin bulls take charge. Why is this happening? Let's talk about it. Again, this is yesterday's video. Altcoins could get wrecked, and I talked about this scenario playing out. Very important to stay up to date on these videos. Hit that subscribe button for me. So these altcoins, what's happening? So I posted this yesterday, and we've talked about this idea a multitude of times, right? And we talked about how altcoins would lose 20% if it pumped to here and to here. And I said, hey, altcoins are going to get wrecked if it pumps and moves higher, right? Another 20% losses, right? Altcoins are going to take a hit. Bitcoin dominance pumping. What are the altcoins doing? Lost over $4 billion in market cap. Like, you have to understand how this relationship works out to be very successful trading this market. You don't want to continue to hold these altcoins. Right now, everybody's focused on Bitcoin. Things are different. We're going to elaborate on that in just a second. So look at coin market cap. Over the last 7 days, Bitcoin's up 2.5%, probably more now because this is from earlier this morning. Ethereum down 4%. Everything's red, basically, right? Everything's red, but Bitcoin's up. Why? This is weird. This is odd because these are USDT traded pairs. Okay, typically Bitcoin drags them higher, but what happens is people sell their altcoins, they move to Bitcoin, or they get stopped out of their altcoins and end up in Bitcoin, right? But essentially, people are leaving their altcoin trade setups, their altcoin holdings, and focus more on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in the driver's seat right now. And we talked about how it's sometimes, and I'm not saying, hey, this is for sure going to happen. I'm just saying, hey, this is a scenario that has happened in the past. At some point, this is going to happen again. Maybe now, maybe a month from now. But these parabolic curves happen. You know, so if Bitcoin were to break higher out of this, you get these parabolic, see this white parabola, these parabolic moves to the upside. And listen to this. It sounds like some National Geographic like hunting series where you're trying to find the most prized, perfect pattern. This is a parabolic curve. It's one of the most highly prized and sought after patterns. This pattern can yield you the biggest and quickest return in the shortest possible time. I want that. The biggest and quickest return in the shortest possible time. Generally, you will find these patterns near the end of a major market advance. The pattern is going to result in multiple base formation breaks. And so we'll look at that multiple. So maybe this is base 1, base 2, I mean, will we form a base 3? Again, if this doesn't break higher, this is completely negated, and we're looking for a move down here to 11,000. But just so you guys are aware, part of being successful in this market is understanding the possibilities, right? Because definitely today is a prime example. What we're used to is changing, and it's important to pay attention to when these altcoins decouple from Bitcoin. Bitcoin trying to push higher as we speak. This is an example from 2015 where you got this huge parabolic price rise and then a blow off top. Blow off tops normally finish as far as your parabolas go, but so parabolas are part of trading, part of this market. These altcoins do it all the time. Okay, and so again, huge moves to the upside after this happened for Bitcoin. Yeah, the key is, like, I like to buy uptrend, so I'll wait for a trend reversal, and then you want to have some type of accumulation phase. Make sure to watch the market cycles video, and you could buy now. It's like catching falling knives. It's hard to catch the bottom, right? You want these altcoins. You're going to get a bounce here out of these altcoins when Bitcoin dominance reverses, though. So this is a huge earnings week for traditional markets, and so we want to see what traditional markets are going to do. But one thing is traditional markets have decoupled from Bitcoin. I'm going to show you that. But again, you got Chipotle earnings coming, Tesla earnings, IBM, and so the traditional markets are going to react based on this news. So I made this chart. Now this orange line back here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trending higher, significantly higher, right here over this period of time. And you can see that S&P 500 index right here is trending lower. Now we know Bitcoin has decoupled from traditional markets. It's decoupled from the S&P 500. Bells have to go off in your head and say, hey, you know what? Bitcoin's doing something different. Things are changing. All right, so that's the most important thing to understand, because this happens from time to time. It's not very common this happens with Bitcoin, but when it does, it's important to pay attention to this idea. So another important idea that's happening potentially today is the idea of the stimulus deal. So they said, hey, if we can get the stimulus deal done now, we can start working on these checks, get the stimulus money out to people that need it. But it has to be done by Tuesday, today. Okay, so this window is closing. So watch for news on this stimulus idea. Is it going to be done today? This potentially would pump traditional markets, which potentially would pump Bitcoin as well. I mean, even though Bitcoin is decoupled, I think we'll see a surge in the price of Bitcoin if this gets, if they get this deal done today. Thought this was pretty amazing. Shout out to Stefan. He in the group, he posted this and he said the Bitcoin bubble is getting even bigger. And so this is Bitcoin dominance, and it shows that Bitcoin dominance is up to 61%. That means of the total market cap of all of crypto, 61% of it is Bitcoin. USDT Tether is 4.3%, Ethereum. So 11% of the entire market cap of cryptocurrency is made up of Ethereum. And then you've got, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, XRP over here as well. So I just thought that was pretty cool. The crypto bubbles, you can Google it, pretty cool site. There's a ton of different ways you can look at these coins, what's moving, what's, biggest mover of the last hour. So this is a pretty cool website to check out. Again, just to reiterate, here's what we're looking at. Bitcoin dominance 6-hour chart. The RSI is way overbought. It's up here at 82. Stochastic is way overbought. Now, if you look at these green boxes, right, this is when the Bitcoin dominance is falling. This is easy money for these altcoins. These altcoins turn on and take off when Bitcoin dominance is dropping, because Bitcoin dominance, when it drops, it means that money flows back into the altcoins. And some of these smaller cap altcoins, it doesn't take much, and they'll bounce back real hard. So you're looking for, we talked about this previously, like oversold bounce ideas on these altcoins. There's different scanners you can use to search for RSI being oversold, and so these are some of the short-term trading ideas you're looking at with these altcoins. So this is a custom crypto scanner. It's cryptoalerts.ai. If you want to find the RSI oversold ideas for these altcoins, you're going to get oversold bounces on these guys. It's higher risk. You have to know what you're doing, but again, trading ideas as far as these bounce ideas go, real quick way. If you're taking some losses, real quick way to make your money back. So you'll fill in your RSI here, go into oversold under 20, and then it'll give you a list, and you can see, like, look at these: Link, BTC getting wrecked. This is XRP, BTC getting wrecked. Like, you can see these coins, DOT, BNB. Like, there's going to be a bunch of bounces in these altcoins, and I mean, essentially, it's catching falling knives, right? So you got to be smart about it. You got to scale in. There's a strategy behind this. But again, just a good trading idea for these bounce ideas for Bitcoin. The only concern would be, you know, Bitcoin makes a big move and these altcoins continue to roll over. So another idea also right now is a lot of people are making a ton of money in these down tokens on Binance. If you do not have a Binance account, go to Binance. The link is in the description. If you're in the United States, there's PureVPN, links in the description. Again, these down tokens are low leveraged coins. And so there's a fee for holding them, right? Just kind of like a short trade, right? Just like any leveraged trade. Okay, so again, but just another idea as far as how to make money trading this market. Also, there was some Dash news previously. Staked Dash is going to become an essential bridge between Dash and Ethereum DeFi ecosystems. And so the CEO of Stakehound, they stated their intention is to explore opportunities to build and integrate DeFi on the Dash platform. So Dash has seen an uptick in the price based on this idea. So I want to get this video out to you guys just so you're understanding what's going on with these altcoins right now. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.